In this video, we will look at what sales document types are in SAP and what role they play in the sales process. In SAP, customer orders are part of the sales and distribution module. The key control elements of these orders are the sales document category and the sales document type. A sales document category is assigned to a specific sales document type and determines, among other things, the sales-relevant characteristics of the document. The category defines whether the document is, for example, an inquiry, a quotation, a sales order, or a return order. Sales document types define whether, for example, pricing or a credit limit check should take place. They determine which process steps are executed, what data is required, and how the order affects logistics and financial accounting. One commonly used sales document type is the standard order OR1, which is frequently used for order processing. In the SAP standard, this type typically covers processes such as stock items, third-party processing, and make-to-order production. It includes an availability check and leads to the creation of a delivery and a billing document. To record a customer return, the SAP standard uses the sales document type RE2 within the scope of ARM Advanced Return Management. The information captured in the return order serves as the basis for further processing in logistics and finance. Other examples of sales document types include the rush order SO and the credit memo request CR. In SAP customizing, existing order types can be adapted to reflect specific business processes and to define how the order impacts subsequent process steps. In summary, sales document types play a central role in controlling the sales process. They define which steps are carried out and which checks take place. Their flexible customization in SAP allows companies to implement individual business requirements efficiently.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.